What's up, guys? Today I got a super awesome mod to show you that will not break the bank. If you're looking to get off cigarettes, let me introduce you to an awesome little mod. It's by Rincoe. It is the Manus X. It comes with a mix mesh tank on it. This whole kit retails online between 40 and 50 bucks. So that's mod and tank for less than 50 bucks. A lot of places it's actually $39.99. Super awesome dual 18650 228 watt mod. So hey, let's get in here and let me show you guys this thing. And this is an awesome affordable little mod for you guys. All right, guys, here is the Manto X kit. It's a 228 watt powerhouse. So let's tear this thing open and I'll show you guys what it's about. Alright, so it comes with some brochures and a quality control certificate, and it shows some of the other models they make. Service card, the Manus Mix tank user manual. Just talking about the batteries. Here's the user manual for the mod. So let's get this bad boy open and take a look at it. Here's the mod itself. It's a very small mod, as you can see. The battery door is on the bottom. See here, it's got a gold-plated 510 spring-loaded pin inside, so that's nice. The charging port's on the front. Like I say, the battery door is on the bottom. And let's take a quick look at the tank. So there's the tank. It's a dual airflow control on it. It's going to have a stainless steel threads that look good on the bottom, gold plated, non-adjustable pin, and a 810 drip tip. That's nice. A 810 is very nice, and it's tight to get out. It is a dual O-ring, and it looks like it's going to be a screw feel top. It's on it with a dual feel design, so that's nice. As you can see, it does come with a mesh coil inside. That's why it's called the mesh kit. So let's get that puppy out and take a look at it. All right, there is the single mesh coil. It's a Canthol that runs at 0.15 ohms, 40 to 70 watt coil. There's what it looks like on the inside. On this side, you can see Rincoe Manto Mix. And let's pull the coil out and take a look at it. Single O-ring, gold-plated connection pin. And there's the bottom there, and it also is a gold-plated pin. So that's pretty nice. Let's set this right over here to the side. Spare O-rings and a charging cord. So they do not give you another coil or an extra piece of glass like most kits do. But keep in mind, guys, this kit runs retail 40 to 50 bucks. So awesome price for what it is, or what it's supposed to be. And it does run a USB or micro USB charging cable. So it'll work with pretty much all your stuff. So let's pop some batteries in this thing and take a look at it. It's got a lockable battery door that you pull back to get open. Gold-plated connections on the top, as you can see. And down in the bottom, you can see it's plus and minus down there in white paint against the black background, so that's really nice. It is a dual 18650 battery mod, so that's nice. I'm going to show you guys, like I always try to in these videos, about these batteries. As you can see on the top of the battery, this is your positive side. You can see where it's kind of bridged in 4 places on this one. Most of them's got 3 bridges on it. That's where it's soldered back into itself. That's going to be your positive side, and your negative side is going to look like this, completely smooth. So that way they're not marked, and that way you'll be able to tell them pretty easy. So just make sure you put them in. This one's positive down. This one is negative down. So there we go. Battery door locks good. No rattles. That's nice. So as you can see, the mod is on at this point, so we're going to turn it off with 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turned off. Now let's turn it back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, the screen comes up, and it's set at 50 watts. It has the dual battery gauges up here that shows you your charge in each battery, as well as the ohms, and that will read once we put the atomizer on it, and the voltage. There's the up and down buttons different on this mod. Most of them, the up button is on this side and the down button's on that side, but I mean, that's a real small coin. So let's run through the settings and see what all it's got. And where you get your settings menu is like every other mod, 3 clicks of the fire button, 1, 2, 3. And it's in voltage, wattage mode there, temperature control mode, stainless steel, nickel, or titanium, and nickel, and bypass. And that works just like a regulated mod, but it still has the safety features in it. And we're back to wattage mode. Let's see what it'll go down to. 1 watt, and it goes up to 220 watts. 228 watts. So let's see if lock. Okay, you push your up and down buttons at the same time, hold them for a second, and it will go into lock mode. You can still fire it. As you can see, we don't have an atomizer on there, so that's why it's saying check atomizer. Push and hold both of them at the same time, and it unlocks it, and then you can move your settings again. So let's put up here about 60 watts. So let's prime this bad boy up. I'll show you guys how to prime the coil. Today we're going to be using some Dangerous Woman Labs Noxatexin or whatever. I'm not real sure on the name of it, but it is a blue raspberry and watermelon. This juice is so freaking good, guys. Go check them out at dangerouswomanlabs.com. Their website's awesome. Their descriptions are really cool. It's worth just sitting and reading the descriptions that they have, that they offer, because it is really good. All right, so let's prime this coil up. What we're gonna do is take some juice. We're gonna put it right in here and give that organic cotton a little bit of a drink. You don't want to put too much. You can say I just put a little bit in there on it and start go ahead and letting it get a head start soaking up that good old juice. Put a little bit on the outside. You don't have to put it on the outside. I just do that for my preference and kind of give it a head start. You don't have to. All right, so let's screw our tank together. Good clean threads, I like that. And like I say, on the bottom of the tank, you can see where it's got designed by Rincoe. All right, so let's take the screw fill cap off and go ahead and juice this puppy up. As you can see, it is a single O-ring on top. I like the nice big feed slots it's got. That way you can juice up this bad boy. Oh, that's some good juice right there. It still smells amazing. And we just screw this back down. And we'll screw it on our mod. All right, so the coil says it's a 0.15 ohm between 40 and 70 watts. So it's reading the coil ohms at 0.17, and we're sitting at 60 watts. I want to talk about this real quick with you guys. Let's run over some of the sizes. This thing's about 75 millimeters tall, 40 millimeters wide, 37mm stick. I do like that it is a simple menu. This is an awesome mod for somebody just getting into the game and wanting something cheap, not having to spend a whole ton of money on. Like I say, this was kits online between $40 and $55, so the price is awesome. It is vented, so when your batteries get hot or whatever, you're gonna have some venting going on. So let's take this puppy up top and take a look at it, see how she hits. All right, guys, as you've seen the close-up shots of this tank, it's pretty nice little tank. I definitely like the little mod. It feels good in the hands. It's a comfortable to hold mod, so that's always a plus. Very small, compact, and lightweight. So, you've seen we had it juiced up, so let's take this thing for a vape, see how it does. Got the airflow wide open on it. It's a pretty impressive little mod, guys. This thing, I like it. It feels good in the hand. It hits good. It's got really good flavor that's coming off this mesh coil. I'm a huge fan of mesh coils. A lot of you guys may think, you know, vaping is extremely expensive, and Rincoe is the answer to you guys wanting to get off cigarettes. I mean, the whole entire kit, 40 bucks. You can't really ask for anything better than that. This thing has a ton of flavor. That Dangerous Woman juice that's in here, it really, really punches hard with this mesh coil. This tank gives off a lot of flavor. This mod is super fast and responsive, especially for the price that it's got on it. It is an amazing little, it is awesome. That is a lot of clouds, especially from a kit tank. And the flavor that this thing has got is phenomenal. I am a huge fan of this tiny little beast that Rincoe's come out with. My whole point in wanting to do this review is a lot of people want to get in vaping, but they're kind of intimidated when you walk in a vape shop because there's so many different mods and designs and styles and colors and just different setups. You know, you got from pen mods to the little fake cigarette looking mods, and you know, they go up to these big fancy jumbo mods and mechanical mods and all that. You know, you don't have to have a super expensive device. Something like this right here does a fantastic job, and it's 40 bucks. You know, you can buy this, 2 batteries and a bottle of juice and walk out of that store, you know, 60 bucks later, and you know, start to get into a healthier lifestyle. Rincoe really knocked it out of the park with this. Like I say, it's got the charging port on the front, the vents for safety reasons on there. I mean, this is a really nice kit, guys, for 40 bucks. So be sure to go check out this Manto X by Rincoe. All right, guys, one thing I want to show you real quick on the screen here. You can see it talks, it's got in voltage mode, like I say, both batteries is displayed. There's the wattage. Let me fire it just 1 second so it'll keep going. You can see where I fired it, and it shows 0.00 seconds. That's how long it fires. And the voltage will go up when I hit it, and there's the ohm reading. So let me hit it while we're looking at it so you guys can see the voltage. And you could see how many seconds it was being hit. Extremely nice mod for less than $50. Like I say, most places online it's 40 bucks. As you can see, the drip tip's got some designs on it. It's a really nice resin drip tip. Really nice tank that comes with this little kit. It's a really good looking mod. Really nice mod. I run everything in wattage mode. I try to keep it simple, and Rincoe did an excellent job on this mod right here by making it user friendly, simple, clean and efficient and affordable. So what else can you really ask for? You see, it hits good, has awesome flavor, great clouds. Can't ask for more, guys. All right, guys, that's my review that I got for you today. Super cheap, super awesome mod, less than 40 bucks. Rincoe Manto X. Like always, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It's totally free. It don't cost you not one single dime. Hope you guys have a great one, and we will catch you guys next time. Awesome mod. Go pick up one of these. You guys are going to be happy. I think it feels good in your hand, too. That's a big bang for your buck, guys. 40 bucks. Can't beat it.